In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning social media profile picture using Canva. Whether you're refreshing your online presence or crafting a new profile, having a captivating image can make all the difference. Let's get started and walk through each step together. First, open Canva on your computer or mobile device. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. It's free and quick. Once you're logged in, begin by typing social media profile picture into the search bar. This will take you to a variety of templates specifically designed for profile pictures across different social media platforms. These templates are a fantastic starting point, offering a range of styles and elements that you can personalize to suit your needs. Once you've performed the search, browse through the available templates. Take your time and explore the different options. Each template offers a unique design, from minimalist layouts to vibrant and creative styles. Think about the kind of image you want to project and how it aligns with your personal or professional brand. Don't worry if none of them look perfect right away. We're going to customize one to make it truly yours. After you've selected a template that catches your eye, click on Customize this template. This action opens up the Canva editor, a user-friendly platform where the magic happens. Here, you can change elements like color schemes, fonts, and even add new graphics or icons. This step is all about tailoring the template to reflect your unique style or brand. Feel free to experiment and be creative. That's exactly what Canva is built for. Now, let's make the template truly yours by personalizing it with your own photo. To do this, click on the Uploads tab located on the left side of the screen. This section allows you to upload images directly from your device. Simply select and drag your chosen image into this area. Using your own photo adds authenticity and helps your profile stand out from the crowd. Next, take your uploaded image and drag it directly onto the template's existing picture. This action will seamlessly replace the old image with your own. Position and resize your photo to make sure it fits perfectly within the design's layout. Canva makes this process intuitive, so you can easily adjust until it looks just right. If necessary, use the adjustment settings to tweak brightness, contrast, or saturation so your image blends naturally with the background. Once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to download your new profile picture. Click on the download button in the top right corner of the Canva interface. Choose your desired file type. JPG is often best for online use, and click download. Save it to your device and you're ready to upload it across all your social media accounts. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and happy designing.